11 of exercise 9.3. In the given figure, ABCD is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F. Show that area of triangle ACB is equals to area of triangle ACF. So given is a pentagon ABCDE, a line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F. Okay, this is DC, you can see, produced up to F. A line through B, this is a line through B parallel to AC, parallel to AC meets at F. So these two AC is parallel to BF. This we can write that AC is parallel to BF. Now we have to prove this area of ACB is equals to area of ACF. You can see that triangle ACB and ACF are on the same base AC. So we will write this proof. Triangle ACB and triangle ACF are on the same base AC and they lie between the same parallels. Means AC is parallel to BF, so they lie between these two parallels. So we can say that by theorem we can say that area of triangle ACB is equals to area of triangle ACF. Okay. Now the next we have to prove that area of AEDF is equals to area of ABCDE. So you can see that this is area of ACF. If we add this area, we will get area of AEDF, this one. And in this, if ACB, if we add this area, we will get AEDCB, this. Okay, so this is very simple. So second part of the question, will take area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle ACF. Add area of AEDC both the sides. So we'll get area of triangle ACB plus area of AEDC is equals to area of triangle ACF plus area of triangle AEDC. So if we add this ACB, we will get AEDCB. So we will get area of AEDCB is equals to area of AEDF. In ACF, if we add this area, we will get AEDF. Okay, so hence proved. Now question 15. Diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. See, this is given that area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. Okay, and their diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. So we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. It means we have to prove that either AB is parallel to CD or AD is parallel to BC. One of the pair of this quadrilateral should parallel to each other. Okay. So let us start our question. This is given that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. This is given to us. If we add this area in this, area of COD in this, so we'll get a full triangle ACD and triangle BCD on the same base. Okay, so we'll get these area equal. So add area of triangle COD both the sides. So we will get area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle same area COD. So if in this AOD if we add this COD, we will get ADC. So we will get area of triangle ADC, and in this area if we add this area, we will get area of BCD, area of triangle BCD. See, these areas are equal and they are on the same base. Okay, so if these areas are equal, these triangles of equal area are on the same base, that is CD. So by theorem, by converse of theorem, okay, they must lie between the same parallels. Means we can say that AD is parallel to BC, or sorry, we can say that these are parallel. It means AB is parallel to CD. So ABCD is a trapezium because one pair of this quadrilateral is parallel to each other, means AB is parallel to CD. This we have proved. It means this quadrilateral is a trapezium, hence proved. See, we have used here the converse theorem. Okay, the theorem is if triangles lie on the same base and between the same parallels, then their areas are equal. We are using here the converse of theorem. Converse of theorem says that if two triangles which are on the same base have the same area, then they lie between two parallels. So this theorem we have used. We can say here that triangle ACD and triangle BCD are on the base CD and their areas are also equal. So we can say that they lie between the parallels. So same parallels AB and CD. So